So now we'll see the practical implementation of man-in-the-middle attack. First, here I have my attacker's machine, where I will set up SSL strip as well as ITACAP. So first of all, we have to do is IP forwarding. This will enable the SSL strip to gather the information from the web server and transmit it over the victim while changing it according to SSL strip. So we'll do echo 1 and send it over to the file IP forward, where is proc sysnet. This will enable the IP forwarding. Now we have to update the firewall so that the destination port 80 will be redirected to 8080, where it will be communicating to victim. So iptables -t capital A pre-routing so the destination port 80 will be redirected to the port 8080. So now this is done. We can enable the SSL strip. Where it will be listening to the port 8080 so that it can take up request from the victim and transfer it over to the web. We'll enable ITACAP so that we can perform man in the middle. First, we have to start unified sniffing, where I will select the interface. Here it is my LAN, and now I have to scan for all the hosts present in my network. Now in the host list, usually the first one is the IP of gateway or the router. So we'll send that to the target 2, and here we can see in the IPv4 of the victim's computer it is 226. So we'll send 226 as well as the IPv6 of 226 to the target 1. So now here I'll show you the ARP table. So you can see that 105, which is our gateway or router, has its IP C0EEFBD11F49. So when I'll choose ARP poisoning as an option and sniff remote connections, what this will do is falsify that data into our MAC address so that we can receive whatever the data is intended for that router. So now we'll start sniffing and see. Now you should be able to see that the MAC address of 105 has changed to ours, which is also 117's MAC address. So 117 is actually our IP. You can see 117 is our IP. So now whenever the victim will try to access something like any login website or any email website, such as I will be doing So now I'm going over to Rediff so that you can see that, okay, usually what happens is you can see that they're all websites of HTTPS, but here in this case it is showing that it is an HTTP website. It is all possible through SSL strip. Now I will try to log in. Let's see, hi, and I'll type the password, you have been MITM'd, and go. So here it is. We can now see that user is hi and password is you have been MITM. So this is one example of doing MITM, and it is very fatal that it can just be sent in the plain text. So you have to be aware about such things and protect yourself from these things. Thank you.